Stop! Before you say your next English sentence, you might be making a mistake right now.
Wait, what? Right now?
Yes, right now. And the scary part is you don't even know it.
Oh no, now I'm nervous.
Don't worry. Today we're going to fix the most common English mistakes you make every day.
Okay, I feel better already.
Hello everyone and welcome back to EnglixPro, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm speaker 1.
And I'm speaker 2. And today we are going to stop making those small but embarrassing mistakes.
Exactly. These are simple mistakes, but they can make your English sound a little strange.
I think I make many of them.
That's okay. Everyone does. The important thing is you are learning now.
All right, speaker 1, let's fix my English.
Let's do it. Okay, mistake number 1. This is very common.
I'm ready.
Saying, I did a mistake.
Oh, I say that.
I know you do.
So what's wrong with it?
In English, we don't say do a mistake. We say make a mistake.
Ah, make a mistake.
Yes, for example, I made a mistake in my homework.
Not I did a mistake.
Exactly.
Why is English like this?
Because English likes to be difficult sometimes.
That's not fair.
I know, but don't worry. Just remember, you make a mistake.
Okay, let me try. Yesterday, I made a mistake in my English.
Perfect.
Okay, what's next?
Mistake number 2. This one is very funny.
Uh-oh, I'm scared.
Saying, I am agree.
Wait, that's wrong too?
Yes, it is.
But it sounds okay.
I know, but in English, we don't use am with agree.
So what should I say?
Just say, I agree.
Simple?
Very simple.
So not I am agree, just I agree.
Exactly.
Let me try. Speaker 1, English is difficult.
Yes, it is.
I agree.
Perfect.
Wow, I feel smarter already.
Okay, now let me tell you a quick story.
I like stories.
Yesterday, my friend said, I am understanding this lesson.
That sounds okay.
Nope, that's mistake number 3.
Really?
Yes, we don't usually use understand in continuous form.
So, no, I am understanding?
Correct. You should say, I understand.
Ah, simple present.
Yes, so instead of saying, I am understanding, say, I understand.
Let me try. I understand this lesson now.
Very good.
Speaker 1, can I tell a story?
Of course.
Yesterday, I told my friend he have a car.
Oh no, you said that?
Yes, and he looked at me like this.
I can imagine.
So, what's wrong?
That's mistake number 4. You should say, he has a car.
Oh, right. He has, not he have.
Exactly. I have, you have, but he or she has.
English is tricky.
It is, but you're learning.
Let me fix it. He has a car.
Perfect. Okay, next mistake. This one is very common in daily conversation.
I think I'm ready.
Saying, I am boring.
Wait, that's wrong too?
Yes, and it can be a little embarrassing.
Why?
Because I am boring means you are a boring person.
Oh no.
So if you feel bored, you should say, I am bored.
Ah, bored for feeling.
Exactly. I am bored equals I feel bored. I am boring equals I make other people bored.
That's a big difference.
Very big.
Let me try. Right now, I am not bored.
Good answer.
Okay, speaker 1, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I say, discuss about this topic.
Ah, that's mistake number 6.
Again?
Yes. In English, discuss does not need about.
Really?
Yes. Just say, discuss this topic.
So, know about?
Know about.
Let me try. Let's discuss this topic.
Perfect. Now, let's do a real-life situation.
I like this part.
Imagine you meet a new person.
Okay.
You say, myself speaker 2,
That sounds okay.
but it's not correct.
Oh no.
You should say, my name is speaker 2 or I'm speaker 2.
So not myself speaker 2.
Never.
Got it. I'm speaker 2.
Much better.
Speaker 1, I think I made all these mistakes before.
That's normal. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even you?
Of course, I'm human.
That makes me feel better.
Good. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to improve.
I like that.
Okay, quick recap time.
Let's do it.
So, not do a mistake, make a mistake. Not I am agree, I agree. Not I am understanding, I understand. Not he have, he has. Not I am boring, I am bored. Not discuss about, discuss. Not myself speaker 2, I'm speaker 2.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but very useful.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal.
Speaker 1, I have a question for everyone watching.
Go ahead.
So, which mistake do you make the most?
That's a great question.
Yes, write it in the comments.
And also try to make one correct sentence.
Yes, practice is very important.
All right, that's all for today.
This was fun and helpful.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to EnglixPro.
And share this with a friend who is learning English.
Keep practicing every day
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
because mistakes help you learn.
Exactly.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.